There's a lot of pieces. Look, I got a tree. Does it look like a Christmas tree? Yeah. Is that a
What do you
Christmas
think
tree?
their chances are of figuring it out, too?
Christmas tree?
I think it's going to be the railroad track that goes to nowhere. What?
Oh, did you look off?
I want to see them getting the two ends connected. That's what I'm saying. That's where my money is.
I'm videotaping it for prosperity.
Putting the picture on the front of the box.
That's cheap.
Yeah, it's overrated.
That's the good part about having an 8 gigabyte memory stick.
How can I make a bridge?
I got like about 2 hours worth of video off this thing.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Is he making a bridge? Where's your gate? Oh, okay. Cool. We need to get you a car for that gate, huh?
We're timing you guys, by the way.
Here's all the cars. You gotta put the cars through the gate. Yes, that's a good idea, huh? Oh. Okay. Got it. Totally cool. There's the choo-choo train.
That's the up one. This is Dale.
Is that a bus? That's a cool car. That
There's
car
got to be
has
another
a
one
star
on the
on
other
it.
side.
I'll upload this to YouTube for you. So you can get it later.
This just goes up
That's
again.
right.
Are they reversible or just one side?
Oh. Aha!
How many
I'm the brains of the operation.
That's scary.
So mommy's the smartest one, huh?
I think you guys are in trouble if Bonnie's the brains.
You have to drive them on the track.
Shut up.
Say, I gotta drive them through the gate.
I have to drive on. I have to drive on the gate.
Through the gate.
Okay, see this part right here? That goes in the hole. Now, where's your train car?
I don't know, Ciara.
It's a little risky.
You don't, that's it, you got it. Good job. Now you got it.
Okay, now here's the brains.
Lift it up and put it right around that. Or are you going to put this one over here? Which way do you want to do it? Okay. Good job. Yeah, now you know. Now you got it. There's your train car.
What sounds a train make, Ciara? Ciara,
What sounds the train make?
what sounds a train make?
Let's go choo-choo.
Choo-choo.
Here, what's the train's name on Dora? Kira. What's the train's name on Dora? What? Chugga.
Yeah.
Chugga? Oh, I didn't know that.
Chugga Chugga, is that his name? There's a train on there.
Here's the
Azul.
Oh,
The blue train.
Mmm.
Here's a blue chain with stuff.
Isn't huh?
I thought Azul was a bird.
No.
Isn't Azul Spanish for blue?
It is, yeah.
And he's a blue train, you figure.
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
They're creative.
Tricky, tricky.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool, huh? I'll give you some light so you can see. Is this you?
Oh, people.
Who's that? Is that gonna be Daddy? That's gonna be Daddy?
Mom.
Oh, thank you. Yeah.
Having such a hard time.
Can it be Aunt Sandy?
Yeah.
Is it me?
Yeah.
Oh, cool. We gotta open these too, huh?
Oh.
We forgot, huh?
Ciara,
We got.
Yeah, we forgot.
Ciara, we're taping this for prosperity, so can you say bye-bye to the camera?
Yeah.
Say bye-bye.
Can you wave bye-bye to the camera?
Okay.
Ciara,
Say mwah.
Christmas 2009.
Ciara, say see you later, alligator.
Say after a while, crocodile.
Yeah, we don't have that part down yet. We're working.